how to lay zoysia. Laying zoysia, installing zoysia, planting zoysia is it's about the same as the other grasses. The soil preparation is probably the most important part of it. Clearing the area of any debris, whether it's dead grass, sticks, rocks, that has to go. Turning up, breaking up any hard pan. You know, when you walk out in your yard, and if your house is 10, 20 years old, and the people walking on it and driving mowers over it for years packs it down. They call that, and you walk out on it and it's kind of like the concrete. They call that hard pan. Anything you can do to break that up and add in some good garden mix. They call it enriched topsoil or garden mix at different places. But adding in some good topsoil and getting that good and smoothed out, and then laying your grass on top of it and laying it as tight as you can next to one another, not leaving any gaps, because wherever there's gaps and the sun can penetrate, you're going to get weeds. And so you want to lay the grass as tight next to each piece, like kind of like laying tile, as you can. And then watering it is critical. You've got to do the rule of thumb is 2 inches of water the day you lay it, and which really turns it into kind of a swamp, and that's more water than most people think. That's about 8 hours with the regular, I call it a wand style sprinkler, the one that's got the holes in the bar that go back and forth. I suspect it's fairly similar to the impact sprinklers, so it takes a lot of water that first day to get grass good and sealed to the ground, get rid of those air pockets, and get it kicked off. And so and then if you look on our website, we have a tip sheet. We have a printable tip sheet as well, and it gives tips on, depending on what time of year it is, how to water it at first, and then once it's established, and how to mow it, how to fertilize it. I would strongly encourage you to look through that. It's a little 2-page document that will answer most of the questions as far as care after you've planted the grass.